Hey guys, this is Huzaifa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. Today I'm just going to talk about crystals that can protect you from negative energy. Now, when I talk about negative energy, you already see there are a lot of influences and there are a lot of instances where we are influenced by negative energy, by negative people, by negative vampires, and negative circumstances, right? So it is very much difficult for us to sustain. So in that case, crystal can definitely help. And now why I am talking about crystals because I'm a Reiki certified professional, right? I know the power of crystals, and before that also I have made a lot of videos regarding crystals, right? And so if you are interested in buying these crystals, I will place down the link below. You can just go to that, right? And it will be the authentic crystals you can buy from, right? And have a look, but you will experience a lot of change in your life with the help of this crystal. Even if you are surrounded by negative people or black energy or black magic or anything evil eye or something like that, right? It will protect you, it will ground you, right? That is the power of the crystal. So beginning in the number one on the list is hematite. As you can already see, it is black in color, right? And it is connected with the root chakra. Now root chakra basically connects with your grounding. Anything, if you're having worry, if you're having stress, if you're having anxiety, it will help you to get rid of it, yeah, right? Any kind of fear, so it's kind of acting as a shield, right? As a protection shield when you are under the influence of the negative energy. Such is the power of hematite, right? Anything that concerns with the root chakra, right, helps you in the with the grounding, and it helps you to align with the universe, align with your mother nature, right? That is the power of root chakra, right? And everything that is manifested is connected to root chakra only. Root chakra is basically connected with manifestations, right? So hematite can be one of the crystal which can help you, right, to be protective as a protective shield against any kind of negativity, any kind of psychic attacks, any kind of negative influences that you can have in your life. Next in our list is amethyst. As you can already see, the amethyst is purple in color, and so now it is connected with the crown chakra, right? And when you are talking about crown chakra, it is connected to higher consciousness, it is connected to universal cosmic energy, right? So now if you're having any kind of trouble with negative energy, amethyst will definitely help you to calm yourself, to relax yourself, to become anxiety free, to become stress free. You will be getting any kind of rid of depression, of anxiety, and all the other stuff, right? All the negative emotions. If you are under the influence of negative energy, or if you are being attacked with a psychic power, because this kind of energy, this kind of crystal help you to provide a shield within yourself, right? And it will help you to reach to your higher consciousness, the higher self, right? And so now you are not worried about what people are thinking or what people are just making fun of you or any other stuff, right? Because you will feel independent and you will feel like you are with your own good self, right? That is the power of amethyst. So second in our list was amethyst. Now going back ahead, it is black tourmaline. As you can see, it is black in color again. So it is somewhat connected to root chakra, right? Anything that is black or red in color, it definitely connects with the root chakra. So it is having the same kind of thing like hematite, right? But here it is more powerful, right? It is like, for example, if you're taking a small piece of black tourmaline, then it is having a little influence. But if you're having a larger rock or a cluster, if you're taking, then it will be having higher influence because the size matters in terms of black tourmaline, because it strengthens your aura, right, as a protective shield. So when you just carry black tourmaline with you, it removes your negativity, right? Removes your internal negativity as well as it is a protective shield, right, for anyone who is coming under your influence, and if he or she is negative, then it will not affect you. And as well as it depletes your own negativity. So such is the power of black tourmaline. Black tourmaline is very much powerful out of all these crystals. I will definitely recommend, if you are suffering from any kind of evil eye, black magic, or any worst thing in your life, which has a negative energy or negative influences, or it's not helping you at one point of time, then I will definitely recommend you this black tourmaline. It is readily available and it is different from a crystals already available. Like you can see cluster also, you can see bracelet also, you can see necklace also, you can go it. But I will definitely make sure that you will find all the links of this crystal in the description. Next is moonstone. Now, moonstone, the name itself tells you that it is connected with the energy of moon, right? So now it is very calm, right? And it is very peaceful. So anything related to moon is a calming energy which helps you in a meditative state, right? It helps you to relieve stress, anxiety, tension, any different things, right? And it is so much powerful that it is like health issue. If you are having any kind of health issue, then it is a health healer. It is kind of healer. It heals yourself if you are wearing this, right? So it is such is the power of moonstone. Moonstone is very much recommended for the people who is very much with anger and very much with fear, right? Because it removes that kind of things from your life. So next one is was the moonstone. Moving ahead, like there are these are all the crystals which have been tasted, right? And so I'm recommending it. Right? The next is diamond. Now the as you can already seen that it is wear by the queen, right? That is a power. So now it is already in the crown of the queen, right? Crown of the queen. So it is so much. So why is that? Because it gives them the power. It gives them the strength, right? It gives them the magnetic aura. That's why when they just go into public, like a king and queen, they have large and great amount of influence. Such is the power of diamond. And diamond is already very much popular in many different traditions, as well as when you are a woman or a girl, you will definitely be influenced by more this diamond, right? It's kind of jewelry also, it kind of crystal also, it works as a two-way crystal, right? So I definitely recommend it. Next in our list is black obsidian. Now, I has already told before, I already discussed regarding this black color. Same goes with black obsidian. It against concerns with the root chakra, right? The same all properties that it just we talk about black tourmaline. But here the only difference in black obsidian is it it has a more power, right? When it comes to restricting or protecting yourself from outer influences. Like for example, if you're using black obsidian in your home and if you're just hanging in your entrance, then any negative energy or any negative influence, if it is entering into your home, then it will definitely be protected with the help of black obsidian. So this is the power of black obsidian. As you already seen that it is connected with the earth element and it is connected with your root chakra, right? So anything related to fear, anxiety, stress, right, where you feel helpless, right, it will definitely help you to strengthen yourself. That is the power of black obsidian. If you're finding this video useful till now, then make sure to like and subscribe. So next in our list we go into dive deep into is laboratory. Now when I talk about laboratory, you also already see in this video, in this picture, that it is connected with, it is having the color of the earth. It universe, it is having the color of the universe, as you can see, right? So it's like a blue thing. It's like a shield, right? So now when you wear a laboratory, it protects your aura, it strengthens your aura. It is somewhere connected with your third eye, with your psychic power and all the things, right? Such is the power of labradorite, and it is a protective stone because it protects your aura, and whenever you go under any kind of negative influences, then also it will not affect you. Such is the power of labradorite. Labradorite is already been known with the help of Lord Shiva. As you can see, Shiva has a very 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 strong third eye, very meditative power, right? No one can beat him when he's into meditative state or when he's doing into something. Such is the power of labradorite, because you are just involving all the universal power into this stone. It is so much powerful and it is so much attractive also, as you can see already in the picture, right? So that was next in the list. Now going in the list is selenite. Now when I talk about selenite, it is white in color. It definitely connects with your crown chakra, and selenite has a power to influence all the chakras, right? And it has a power to recharge all the crystals. When you put any crystals on selenite, right, it will automatically get recharged because selenite is so much powerful, right? If you want to protect your aura, you just rub the selenite all in front of your body and you can clean your aura, right? And you can also give reiki to other with the help of selenite. You just place the selenite crystal and just give the reiki to them, and they will be under the influence of protective shield, right? They will be under the influence of great mental peace, stress relieving, and all the other things. And moreover, it is a power to influence the whole seven chakras inside your body. So if you are feeling energyless, if you are feeling drained, if you are feeling lack of something, then definitely selenite can has a power to charge yourself and to and to remove all the negativity from your life. So this is the amazing crystal. You can even meditate with it, and you can even think of many other different things, right? If you want into your life, then you will be able to manifest, right? Because with the crown chakra, it is with the higher element, the higher consciousness. Right, so this is the selenite. Next is tiger's eye. As you already see that the color is and on the structure is like a tiger eye. So now when I talk about tiger eye, it talks about focus. It talks about concentration. Talks about mental clarity. It talks about removing negativity. It talks about removing toxic. It talks about anything that has a power to destroy your will, right? Because it acts on the willpower, your strength, right? Like if you decide that I want to do something, then and if you are having accompanied by with a tiger eyes, then your power will be doubled because it is attractive. Because this stone has a power to and capability to balance all your sacral chakra as well as root chakra. Such is a power. It's a tiger eye, right? 100% focus, 100% consistent. No one can beat you. So such is the power of tiger eye, right? And so last in the list we have pirate. Now I already talked regarding this pirate before. Also. It's called fool's gold, and now the main thing is to attract wealth and abundance, and it is connected with your solar plexus chakra. It's called Manipur chakra. Is that chakra where your energy resides? I mean, where you have a maximum power of energy, where you feel your self-esteem, where you feel so much powerful, where you feel your self self power, self healing, right? That's where pyrite comes because it is related to solar plexus, money, food, chakra. And so now it has influence to remove all the negativity. It has an influence to reach your goal also, to become to motivate you right towards your goal, to become creative, to have great memory power. These are some of the powerful structures of pyrite. There is a fool's gold, right? And it is already readily available, and you can just check in the links in the description of all the crystals which we have talked about, right? And so this is kind of all the crystals that will help you to provide any kind of relief from the negativity, from influences, or from psychic attacks, or from all the things which is related to your protection. Because when it comes to protection, it is energy only. Because universe, everything in this universe is energy. So now you are also carrying a part of energy, but there are things which depletes your energy, right? And so these all crystals which will help you to energize yourself and to not be influenced by any kind of negativity or negative events or any other things, right? And regarding evil eye also, black magic also, right? I hope that this video really helps you to know better about how crystals has a power to protect yourself from any kind of negative energy. If you find this kind of video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and also leave the comment of gratitude, because gratitude has a power to change everything, right? And you must also be grateful that you are able to find this video, right? This video has reached you. I will mention all the links in the description where you can definitely get out these crystals, right? And you can harness in your life, right? And it has a power to change your life, and it has a power to manifest your dreams and even much more, right? So I hope that I have cleared everything. And if you're having any kind of doubts, you can definitely let me know in the comments, right? So I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, bye.